everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a try DIY where I try a nice DIY for your skin or hair and we find out together on video if it works or not. Today I'm doing a hair DIY because for summers I really wanted my hair to look shiny and nice, and lately my hair has been just really dry, especially from the bottoms. I have just not really been feeling my hair. It's kind of like whatever. I don't like my hair for the past 2 weeks, to be honest. So I just really wanted to do something to it. So I am trying a mayonnaise DIY. It's a hair mask which consists of mayonnaise. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Who's that? Hi, this is me. I just worked out. I have a sleeping mask on, so this is my just woke up face. Great. Anyways, so this is the hair that I'm working with currently. It's a bit dry and it's not really silky. Ooh, let's run our fingers through the hair. It's like, okay, it's better than what it used to be for sure, but I definitely want to get it up there when it comes to smoothness and silkiness. I'm really sorry for the background noises, guys. Everything is so loud here. So my scalp is oily, however the ends tend to get a bit dry and frizzy basically, and I want to get rid of that. So this is this. I've got mayonnaise with me. I'm gonna do the mayonnaise mask. So I am using the Del Monte eggless mayo. I've put that in a bowl right here, and they say online that mayonnaise is very heavy, so you can't really apply it directly on your hair. I can imagine it's gonna be a pain to take it off. So you need to mix something with it, like maybe lemon juice or something. So this is a mixture of lemon juice and glycerin that I have, so I'm just gonna shake that up. I've taken this much just for the ends of my hair, and I'm gonna put it right here. It smells like lemon actually. Maybe this will prevent my hair from smelling like mayonnaise. It's good that mayonnaise is also white, so I can imagine it to be a conditioner. Yeah, let's not think it's mayonnaise, let's think it's conditioner, and it doesn't even smell like mayonnaise. I saw some people complain that it smells in the end. Your hair tends to smell, so I hope that does not happen with me. So bad, guys, like oh my god. Now I'm just gonna wrap my hair up. If the smell really bothers you, you could put your hair in a shower cap. I'm just gonna wait around for probably 10 minutes and I'm gonna want to remove this. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair after 10 minutes, then come and meet you guys. So guys, I am back. I just wanted to sit in the same spot. I'm sorry if the light is different because of course it's the evening now. It took a while to dry out my hair naturally. This is what I'm working with now. The hair looks much more curlier now and I kind of love it actually. Now I did not apply conditioner here on down. I put on the mayonnaise hair mask here on down, so I did not apply the conditioner there. I applied hair conditioner only on this part. I kept it for full 20-25 minutes actually, which was good. What do I think about the results? My hair is definitely soft to touch. Earlier it was just dry and frizzy and I just did not want to even look at my hair, but now it's soft. It feels smooth, it feels nourished, and right now like I want to open my hair. I want to open my hair because it feels so good. I don't know about if it looks, look at that. Can you see that it looks a bit bouncy also? Like, come on, my hair looks so big. There's a lot of volume here. I love that. Look at that. That's a lot of volume, right? I love it. And the curliness, it brought out my natural hair texture so well. I loved it, and it was not even that difficult to take off actually. So when I first went in, I just washed off the mayonnaise that was on the outer layer as much as I could just with water. Then I washed my hair with shampoo twice, which I usually do. It has a very faint smell if you try to look for it, but it's not there really. I did put on my hair serum, so maybe because of that the scent is gone. So yeah, no scent, no nothing. My hair feels shiny and soft to touch. I don't know about the shininess though, but it's soft to touch, it's smooth, and I actually like it. I want to put it in a ponytail and all and kind of, yeah, do this. I love it. So I would definitely give a big thumbs up to the mayonnaise hair mask. It's not as messy as the egg mask or hard to remove as like the peanut butter or the oil mask, but I loved it a lot and I saw the results. So I love it. Would highly recommend that you go ahead and try it. Let me know in the comments below what other hair masks have you tried or you like to try, so that I can maybe try it in a new try DIY. I have done other try DIYs as well, where I try wacky DIYs for my skin and hair. Linked here right on the screen. You can watch that after watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye till then.